Alright, welcome YouTube. Today we are going to be working on my C6 Z06 brakes. A YouTube user asked about the single piece pads, and I actually prefer to use single piece pads on my Z06. The other video that I posted on a C6 Z06 was using the padlets, and those are the pads that we'll be removing today, and we'll be going to a single piece pad. So those are the padlets. They just kind of fall out. This is one of the padlets. You can see some very odd wear with this one. We're getting rid of these. Nobody likes padlets. Well, some people do, but I can't stand them, and I can't stand replacing them. And the reason I can't stand it is because it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. One pad goes in a lot easier and saves me a lot of time. If your time isn't worth much, then yeah, maybe the padlets do have some advantages. You can rotate them around for more even wear, but more often than not, the padlets are just a nuisance. So right now I'm in here expanding the pistons in the caliper, and this is fairly easy to do. So that one is done. Now I got two more to go. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off to save some space. Alright, now you notice that all of the pistons are pushed back into the caliper, and we can go ahead and put our single piece pad in. But first, before we put the single piece pad in, we're going to want to remove these clips. So the single piece pad that I bought doesn't use these clips, so we're going to get rid of them. So this is the pad that I bought. It's enormous. This is a StopTech Street Performance pad. I think they changed the name of these pads to something, maybe a StopTech Sport pad. But the point is that these pads have a high maximum operating temperature, so they will work great for what I'm doing with this car, which is going to be straight line stuff, quarter mile, and roll racing events. So let's go ahead and put these pads in. This is not a road racing pad, obviously. Just want to clarify that with the viewers. I'm not using this car to go road racing with. I have other cars for that. So those pads are in there, and this will just slide on now. All we do now is put our bolts in and torque this thing back down to spec. Okay, there's one bolt. I'll put the bottom one in now. Alright, that is my single piece pad install. Now these bolts are torqued to the same spec as before. I'm going to go ahead and bleed the brakes, and then I'm going to go ahead and bed these brakes in. But you can see that there's quite a difference in pad. These are the old padlets. There were 6 in the front caliper, 4 in the rear. You saw how easy it was to install those single piece pads. I think that's the main reason that you would switch to a single piece pad, is the ease of install. So that is it with this C6 Z06. I'm going to finish up this job and then go out and enjoy the car. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you enjoy your car.